This is the Sunflower X, a prototype smart lamp that will be launching on Kickstarter. It'll automatically dim or brighten based on your surroundings. It has contactless sleep monitoring and an automatic sunrise wake up feature. I'm super excited that I was sent this prototype for this video, and I truly do believe there are a lot of features inside this lamp that I would personally use on a daily basis. To get features, we do have to connect it to the Moonlex app. To connect it, you have to turn off the lamp, and then after long pressing on the button, you can connect it to Wi-Fi. Once connected, the app looks like this. You have full control over each part of the lamp. So I can select upper, I can go down here and I can change the brightness of the lamp. I could dim it all the way down. Or I could select multiple parts of the lamp and control all of the brightness together. We could also control the temperature as well, changing it from a warmer temperature to a cooler temperature. And we can change the angle of the lamp with a single swipe. You can also set an alarm that the light will automatically brighten and wake you up at that given time. Then at the bottom, we can select different presets. So our preset could be off if we didn't want the light to be on, or we could have a preset for reading, so it'll be semi-bright. And if we want it very dim, we could select the night option here. Now, I haven't actually tested out the sleep function yet, but inside of the sleep tab at the bottom of the app, you're going to have all of your different data for different days of sleep. So you'll have a night score, you'll have a recovery score, and you'll have a session timeline. Beyond that, we actually have a real-time monitor where it will actually monitor your heart rate as well as your breathing, your motion, the illumination, and whether or not you're asleep or awake. It's registering me at 76 beats per minute, and it gives you a graph to show the timeline of your heart rate. And then it also tracks your breath, RPM, and gives you a live window and stat update. We have a light that's on top of the rotating head. We also have a light on the underside of the top ring, and then finally a light at the very bottom of the base of the lamp. We also get a one-touch control button. The color around the button indicates whether or not you're connected to the app, and we can use this button to control the light. So one quick press will turn off the lamp, and if I press it again, it will turn back on. Then I can press and hold to either brighten the lamp or dim it. The warmness or the coolness of the lamp, as well as the brightness, is going to automatically depend on the light surrounding the lamp. So for example, right now it's pointed down, I'm inside of a dark room, so it's very dim and warm. But if I turn it towards the light that is right in front of me here, you'll notice that it gets extremely bright and a cool white function. And the light goes back to its normal state, you'll notice that it will start to dim and get darker just because there's no light currently projecting on it. I'm honestly super impressed by the Sunflower X. It has so many cool AI features as well as controls inside of a table lamp that's going to sit on your nightstand. It will monitor your sleep, it will also automatically dim or brighten, and you can control the head swivel through an app, which I thought was pretty cool. In the end, it's a solid product, and I'm really excited to continue to test it and use it. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helped. My name's David, and I do product reviews, product comparisons, and top 5 best videos. If you're into that kind of stuff, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for my next review.